Hi friends, welcome to our show. Today is the guess it. So today is the space series. So today we're going to start another space agency, that is the European Space Agency or the ESA. So the ESA is an intergovernmental organization of 22 European member states which are dedicated to the exploration of space. So the ESA is a group of 22 member states in Europe. So these include the UK, France, Germany, those countries are included, while Italy is also there. Okay, so their main goal is to research about space. Yes, so the ESA was established in the year 1975. So its headquarters are just very close to France, in the same province of Paris, but a different department in France. Yes, so they're very close areas. So, okay, so it was formed on 30th May 1975. Yes, so it is a pretty old organization. Yes, so the ESA describes its work in two overlapping ways. So for the general public, the various fields of work are dedicated to things called activities, while budgets are organized as programs. So activities examples are observing the Earth, next human space flight or sending people to space, next launchers launching satellites in space, next navigation satellites, space science, telecommunications, and even studying the weather or climate. So these are just some examples of the activities in the ESA. So next are the programs. So the Copernicus program, the Cosmic Visions, the ExoMars program, the Galileo program, the Horizon 2000 program, the Living Planet program, the Terra Nova program, or some of the many programs in the ESA. So here the activities are like what these programs do or what these rockets do, while the programs are the missions of the rockets. Yes, so like for example in India, in ISRO, it like Chandrayaan mission, it is just like those, the programs. Yes, so next, every member country must contribute to these programs. So all the 22 member countries all of them should contribute to this program, the ESA. So the main contributor is France, which also has the headquarters and also has the main launch base in South America. So I'm going to discuss about it later in this video. So the ESA's science program is a long-term program of space science and space exploration missions. So it is a very long-term program with lots of space exploration machines and missions, and also those the rockets in those missions or satellites will study the space. Yes, that's why it is called space exploration. Yes, okay. So next, the launch vehicle fleet. So the ESA has a fleet of different launch vehicles in service. So there are three main of these launch vehicles. So the ESA's fleet consists of three major rocket designs, which is the Ariane 5. So these are the presently working rockets. So the Ariane 5 sends like 10 tons of satellites into the GTO orbit. So we discussed about the orbits in another video about space. Okay, next the Soyuz 2 and Vega, which sends a lesser amount of weight into low Earth orbit. Yes, I think. Okay, so the Ariane 5 launches from the Guyana Space Center. So present day, France has many territories still left. So one of the largest territories is French Guyana in South America. So as French Guyana is very close to the equator, it is very, very close to the equator. So because of that, So normally on the so the earth has a bit like bulge. So it is not that much, but still it has a small bulge in its equator, so because of its rotation and those effects. So because of that, the gravity would be a bit lower in the equatorial regions in some places. So French Guiana is close to those equatorial areas. So then the rockets here would easily go out into orbit. Yes, so that's why France plays an important role in sending of these satellites. So this is for today about the ESA. Bye.